That was great. What's
Hi,
that doing?
Hayden. He was taking a bath in the sink in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
You came here. You smiling at Daddy?
Yes, you are.
Peekaboo.
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 Oh, you can't see with Mommy's arm in the way. Oh, with a thumb in the mouth. What a cutie.
Here's Braxton. We're getting close to bedtime. Relaxing. Oh, get your necky. Your little neck. Because you get sweaty, Mom. Yeah, especially here. Especially here.
He's 7 months old in a couple days, and he's 22 pounds. Yes, he is.
Mama knows.
Yes, he is. And he fits in the sink.
Perfectly. It was made for you.